Welcome to Module 2 Laboratory Basic Control System. In this tutorial, I will explain how to verify algebraic functions using tools. The first step is complete the connections by referring to the block diagram and wiring diagram shown in picture. On ACS 1311, pull offset control knob, adjust offset and AMP control knobs to generate a 1 VPP pulse at pulsar output terminal. Press reset push button switch to stop integrators on first ACS 13006 and the second ACS 13006. Set the first ACS 13006 and the second ACS 13006 selector switches as follows in picture. Press ACS 13011 pulsar push button switch. Using oscilloscope, measure and record the signals at the first ACS 13006 VO output and the second ACS 13006 VO output terminals as shown in picture. These two outputs, RT and FT divided by two signals, view the integration time from starting to saturation. Since the first ACS 13006 and the second ACS 13006 integrators are used to perform integral operation, the outputs of the two integrators will saturate after a period of time. At this time, the outputs are not T and F divided by two waveforms anymore. To view the waveforms T and T2 divided by 2, change switch from OP to ini.C position and set I.C control knob to 0. Press the ACS 13011 push button again. The ACS 13006 integrators will integrate again. On the first ACS 13006, modify T selector switch to timestamp position. First, press ACS 13011 reset push button switch and then push pulsar push button switch. Measure and record the signals at the first ACS 13006 VO output and the second ACS 13006 VO output terminal as shown in picture. On ACS 13011, adjust AMP and offset control knobs to generate a 2 VPP pulse at pulsar output terminal. Using oscilloscope, measure the signals at the first ACS 13006 VO output and the second ACS 13006 VO output terminals. These two outputs should be 2T and T times 2 waveforms respectively.